Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft issued a video talking about the Windows 11 experience. What's new? We learned things that they talk about, others that we don't exactly know what that means, as usual. But there are some interesting things that they talk about that tell us that under the hood, there are some changes in Windows 11 that we're going to talk about in that series of videos coming up. But this video is more of a rant video. I got a couple of rant videos in the last few weeks. And it has to do with that video, all that they talk about. And I mean, I've looked at the video a million times. I've read several blog posts of different people talking about Windows 11 and their take on it. And typically what happens is that you realize that nothing, and I really mean nothing, in the Windows 11 operating system kind of warrants a, that you use newer technology like Windows, like Intel 8th generation CPU and stuff like that. I try to look at it. I try to understand what could be something that you need to have an Intel 8th generation or TPM 2.0 and so on. And even in the security aspect, where they talk about the security aspect, it's unclear as to what they're going to do and what they do with TPM 2.0 and so on. And it gets to a point where after reading a lot, looking at a video several times, you realize that Intel 8th Gen is just, they decided, okay, here it goes. That's going to be the generation, and there's no real reason for it. Which is even more aggravating, I think, for people that are mad at Microsoft for the minimum requirements. The lack of even a more detailed video of explaining why the threshold was put there. Why is it that the minimum requirement is there? And it seems totally that they decided, well, you know what? We're going to put it here to try to have people sell more computers. And, of course, in the same time, selling a new computer makes Windows 11 revenue, because Windows 11 revenue comes also because you pay for Windows when you buy a computer. And there's really no other reason. You can't see any other reason for that. And you can't see any other reason why about that, because Microsoft is maybe thinking, well, people bought their new PCs now. The PC sales are going to go down. And that's a way of trying to have more people buy computers. It's the only thing that we could see. There's even if TPM, they could explain what they're going to use TPM with. At least that'd be nice. But I mean, Intel's 7th and 6th and 5th generation CPUs run Windows 11. I find it sad because I think this clearly makes the launch of Windows 11 kind of a sad event. We went from all excited to, wow, there's a new Windows, to, the hell with Microsoft with that minimum requirement and my PC not running it and so on. And nothing in that video and nothing at what they talk about of the minimum of the experience within the system warrants really that minimum requirement. They do have to put a minimum requirement if they want to do more stuff, but 8th Gen, there's no explanation as to why 8th Gen and not 7th or 6th. Honestly, Microsoft has zero explanation for that. So that's my rant for today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.